Hey, what's up guys, it's Kevin. I just wanted to let you know this is a quick little video. You're about to see the car that I've been working on, but the video is going to end kind of really all of a sudden because I didn't realize that my GoPro and my phone was dead, so everything shut down. So it's going to end weird, but pretty much everything's there. Talk to you guys later. Hey, what is up guys, it's Kevin back in with a quick new video, just showing you guys what I've been doing and what I've been working on. Now today's video is going to be a car that I picked up about 3 or 4 days ago, and it was a super deal. They originally had it posted for, I want to say $1,600, and that was still low because they were selling it because they said that it had codes in the check engine light and it wouldn't pass emissions, and the shop told them it was going to be almost $1,000 to fix it, so the lady was selling it. So I went out and looked at it, wasn't too far away from the house, and I wound up talking the woman down to $650. I scanned the codes, and the codes came up. It had an evap leak, a knock sensor, and a VTEC solenoid code. So I went to pull apart, and I've already changed it out, but here's the gas cap, and that cost me like $3. The knock sensor cost me like $5, I want to say, and the VTEC solenoid, which is this thing right here. But the cool thing about it is the car that I pulled it off of looked like it was a brand spanking new, like they had just put it on there. So got lucky on that. I spent $19 on that. And let me actually show you guys the car here. Now this is a 2004 Honda Accord. Of course, it has the K20 4-cylinder engine. I will not touch a Accord V6 because their transmissions are horrible. But you can see here, this thing was actually well taken care of. It's really clean. Interior is really clean. Now, I did clear out the codes, and I have to, of course, do a drive cycle on it. But look at this, man. For $650, and altogether, I have less than $700 in this car. Now it does have AC heat, all that good stuff. It's got some miles on it, but it's still under, it's got 198,000 miles, which is not too bad for the 4-cylinder. So I do have the brake light is on because it's low on brake fluid. ABS light, I have no clue. That might be because of the brake light. No check engine light so far. It took me probably 15-20 minutes, probably about 30 minutes to change all the stuff that it needed. So I mean, when you consider the book value on this car is, even with the miles that it has, is right around $3,500. Spending $700 on the car altogether is not a bad deal. So and this is one of those cars that I knew the lady took care of it, because usually when you don't take care of a car, the interior looks like crap, and this interior looks damn good. So I know that she probably took care of the car. The oil's basically new. Got the oil sticker, and it's still not due for another oil change. So this was a hell of a deal. This is not one of those cars that you buy and then you fix a little bit and then you're like, okay, well hopefully it'll hold together for a while. This is a car that you buy and you just, like right now, I would hop in it and probably drive it to Florida if I had to. So it seems like a really good solid car. Like I said, the 4-cylinders, they tend to have better transmissions than the V6s. That's the reason I don't mess with V6 Accords, just because the transmissions are horrible. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. That's all I've been doing. I still got the shitty Civic over there. I hadn't posted it up yet, but I'm gonna post it up tomorrow on Facebook. Yeah, just get rid of it. Like I said, I spent like $200 on it. If I can get like 3 or 4 out of it, I'd be happy. And yeah, that's about it. And like I said, thank you guys for watching my videos, and subscribe and hit the bell.